Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Emirates ID in the Botim application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, simply launch your Botim application on your phone. When you are inside, simply tap on this all icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, over here, you are going to see a bunch of different options like verify your Emirates ID. So you just have to simply select that option and you just have to simply just keep all of these things in hand. Now over here you can start your verification by selecting the verify identity option. Now Botim usually going to give you two methods. You can upload a digital copy or you can also scan the physical Emirates ID using the camera. So you will normally need both the front and the back side of your ID. So after uploading your Emirates ID, Botim may ask for the facial recognition. So you need to position your face clearly in the camera frame and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Afterwards, you can just simply verify that your name, your Emirates ID, and your date of birth, your nationality are showing correctly before submitting the request. After submission, Botim is going to review your verification request, and once your verification request is approved, your account should unlock the features like Botim Money, international transfers, SNPL. Now, if verification fails, you can anytime retry with clearer ID photos and better lighting. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.